In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create links and backlinks in Obsidian. If you're using Obsidian for the first time, or even if you've been using it for a while, understanding how to effectively use links and backlinks can transform your note-taking experience. Obsidian is a powerful tool for personal knowledge management, and one of its standout features is the ability to interconnect your notes seamlessly. So, let's dive right in. First, let's get the basics down. In Obsidian, you create a link by using wiki-link syntax. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly does that mean? Well, it's pretty straightforward. To create a link to another note within Obsidian, you simply wrap the title of the note you want to link to in double square brackets. For instance, if you want to link to a note titled Daily Reflections, you would type 2 opening square brackets, then Daily Reflections, followed by 2 closing square brackets. So it looks just like this, Daily Reflections. Using this method, you create a direct link to the note titled Daily Reflections. Clicking on this link will take you straight to that note, which is really useful for navigating through your notes swiftly. This becomes especially powerful because it allows you to connect related ideas and pieces of information, effectively creating a web of knowledge that's customized entirely by you. Now, once you've established these links between your notes, the fascinating part comes into play. Obsidian doesn't just create a link in one direction, it also automatically creates backlinks. A backlink is essentially the reverse link, meaning if Note A links to Note B, then Note B will have a backlink to Note A. This feature allows you to see all the notes that are connected back to the current note. It gives you a comprehensive view of how your information is interrelated, which can be instrumental in recognizing patterns, developing ideas, and connecting concepts that you might not have originally thought were related. To view these backlinks, you can simply open the Backlinks pane within Obsidian. It's usually located on the right sidebar, and there you'll find a list of all notes that link back to the one you're currently viewing. This helps maintain an interactive approach to your learning or research process, revealing connections and prompting new insights. Incorporating both links and backlinks into your Obsidian workflow can thus transform scattered pieces of information into a fully fledged, interconnected system. This technique not only enhances the utility of your notes, but also augments your ability to recall and integrate information. So, whether you're a student, professional, or someone just keen on personal development, mastering links and backlinks in Obsidian opens the door to an organizational approach that goes beyond simple note-taking. Thanks for joining me today in unraveling this aspect of Obsidian. I hope this guide makes linking effortless in your future note-taking endeavors and helps you unlock the true potential of your knowledge web. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to optimize your Obsidian usage. Happy linking!